Vitamin E. Introduction. Which one of the following is a result of vitamin E deficiency? Choose one of the following options. 1. Frequent infections. 2. Vision problems. 3. Muscle and nerve damage. 4. All of the above. Correct. Vitamin E deficiency is very common in healthy people. Select true or false. Correct. Often, vitamin E deficiency happens because of other diseases that block the body from absorbing nutrients. The word fortified means that something has been added to a food. Select true or false. Correct. For example, foods that have been fortified with vitamin E contain vitamin E. In general, as a person grows older, he or she needs more vitamin E. Select true or false. Correct. Teens and adults need more vitamin E per day than children under the age of 14. Vitamin E toxicity usually happens when people eat foods rich in vitamin E. Select true or false. Correct. It is uncommon to take in enough vitamin E from food to cause vitamin E toxicity. In fact, most people get less than the recommended amount of vitamin E. Thank you for using Explain.